Namaste and welcome to my channel In Space with Tejita. If you're new to my channel, do not forget to subscribe and click the bell icon button. So today I'm here at one of my favorite place, Sai Center, a neighborhood initiative for adults with special needs. Today we're going to be looking at one of their interesting and very special projects that they do. It's upcycling products, and I found it very impressive because creating something beautiful out of waste, I think it's what we need right now. So I thought the world should know this because every single thing that they do is so pretty. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started. So we are here with Saltanat Pawar, the head of the craft department at the center, and she also teaches the kids who come here. So today, right now they're working on a basket made out of papers, newspapers, upcycling project. It's halfway process, so I will show you guys how it looks once it's done. But before we start, I would like to ask Saltanat Pawar a few questions.
Yes.
So, how do you do this?
तो सबसे पहले हमें जो जरूरत होती है उसका बेस चाहिए कि हमें क्या अगर राउंड बनाना है, अगर राउंड बास्केट बनाना है तो उसका बेस राउंड होना चाहिए. ओवल शेप में अगर हम लोगों को हैंड पर्स जैसा बनाना है तो उसका शेप जो होता है वो ओवल शेप में होना चाहिए. दूसरा, अभी हम रेक्टेंगल बना रहे हैं तो हम लोगों ने बेस बनाया हुआ है रेक्टेंगल. हमें एक बास्केट बनाने के लिए ऐसे दो बेस की ज़रूरत है. ठीक है, तो उसके बाद में हम लोगों को स्टिक चाहिए होगा. बड़ा बनाना है तो हम बड़ा स्टिक्स बनाएं. अगर आप लोगों को छोटा बनाना है, साइज हाइट छोटा रखना है तो छोटा भी रख सकते हैं. ठीक, तो ये बेस पर हमें सेट कर देना है. उसके बाद में जो इस तरह का जो हमारा दूसरा बेस होगा वो बेस को हम पूरा मतलब पहले यहाँ पर फेविकॉल अच्छे से स्प्रेड कर देंगे. उसके ऊपर से हमें वो लगा देना है. थोड़ा वेट रखिएगा, कुछ टाइम के लिए ड्राई होने के लिए रखिएगा ताकि वो वीव करना स्टार्ट करेंगे तो वो स्टिक बाहर निकल के ना आए.
हाँ,
सूख जाने के बाद में फिर हम लोग वीविंग स्टार्ट करते हैं. जैसे उधर बास्केट रखा हुआ है उस तरह से ये बास्केट थोड़ा सा.
So, for those who don't know Hindi, I'm going to quickly explain in English so that you guys get an idea of what they're doing. So, what they're doing right now is a basket, and as I said, they're doing it out of paper. So, she basically said that you can get it in any shape that you want: square, circle, triangle, rectangle, anything. So, you need to decide what shape you need, and then they make a base for it depending on the size that they need. Right now, they're working on something that's rectangle. So, they have made, with the measurements that they want, they've made a strong base in rectangular shape, and you need two of this. And then they make sticks out of paper. So they apply Fevicol and they stick it all around the rectangle on the base and stick another base on top of it so that it holds tightly. Like, can you see over here? Right now we have one base down and there's another base inside, and in between they've placed the paper sticks. So once that is done, they will weave it by their hands and make a beautiful basket like this. So now Saltanat Pawar will show us how to weave the basket.
तो हमें वीविंग करने के लिए स्टिक चाहिए, बहुत सारा स्टिक चाहिए. और स्टिक्स का जो माउथ है वो एक साइड से थोड़ा छोटा होना चाहिए, एक साइड से बड़ा होना चाहिए. उसके बाद में फिर हमें इस तरह से हमें जॉइंट कर देना है, बड़ा स्टिक बना देना है. अभी हम लोग वीविंग स्टार्ट करेंगे. सो ये जो बड़ा स्टिक है इसको हम फोल्ड कर देंगे. फोल्ड करने के बाद में अभी हम इधर से भी कहीं से भी स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं. हम एक स्टिक के अंदर से ऐसे डालेंगे और उसको क्रॉस करना स्टार्ट कर देंगे. बहुत इजी है.
So she basically said that we need to make lot of paper sticks with newspaper, and we have to make sure that one side the hole is big and one side is small, because we need kind of long paper sticks and you can't make that just with one paper. So once you get with one side big hole and other side small hole, they will kind of insert it inside and stick it and make it into a big pipe, and then they will fold the stick into two halves and they start weaving as such how she's showing us here. So while she's working on this, I am going to take you guys on a small tour on all the different type of products that they do, upcycling products. As I said before, this is just one of the things that they do. So let's look into it. It's finally here. It's so beautiful. I love it. I got it customized the way I wanted it. I just love this thing. And as I said, I love Sai Center a lot. My mom is a huge fan of Sai Center and it's her birthday, so I decided to gift this cute little thing from Sai Center to my mother. I hope you guys like this too. If you guys want things in smaller size, if you guys want these baskets made in smaller size, that is possible too. Check the description below for their Instagram account name and you can go through their works. They don't just make laundry baskets, but they also make beautiful bouquets that will never fade. Isn't this super pretty? So I just love this bouquet as well. So check the description below for their Instagram account name and to follow their works. So before I sign off, I would like to mention about this yummy cake that I've ordered for my mom. And it's made from this place called Kick-Ass Trophy. It's no egg, no maida and no butter. Yet it's so yummy. Again, check the description below for their Instagram account name and go through their works and place your order so that you can taste their yummy bites too. And finally, happy birthday to my mom. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Until my next video, stay fit, stay healthy and stay happy.